In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple work locations on Gusto. To get started, sign into your Gusto administrator account. Make sure you're using an admin profile since location settings are usually only available to users with the right permissions. Once you're logged in, give the dashboard a moment to fully load so all menu options are visible. Next, open your company settings. Depending on the version of the dashboard you're seeing, this may be found in a settings menu, a company profile area, or an admin section. The goal here is to access the main place where your company-wide details are managed. Once you're in the company settings, look for the section labeled Work Locations or Company Locations. This is where Gusto stores the physical locations connected to your business. If your company operates in more than one office, store, or job site, this is the section you'll use to keep everything organized and accurate. When you find that section, click Add Location. This will open the form where you can enter the details for a new work location. Be careful as you enter information here, since these details can affect employee records, tax setup, and location-based reporting. Now enter the location details. Provide the full address and any other requested information for that work location. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling, zip code, and any location labels before moving on, especially if you're adding several places and want them to be easy to recognize later. After that, click Save to add the location. Once saved, the new location should appear in your locations list. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or reopen the section to confirm it was added successfully. To add more work locations, simply repeat the same process for each additional address. Add each one carefully and consistently so your location list stays clean and easy to manage. When you've finished adding all locations, review the full list and verify that every work location appears correctly. This is an important final check to make sure nothing was missed and that each address is entered as intended. If needed, assign employees to the appropriate work locations. This helps ensure that team members are connected to the right site for payroll, records, and internal organization. Finally, save your changes to confirm all location assignments and updates. Once that's done, your multiple work locations should be fully set up in Gusto. Thanks for watching.